Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 11, which I can't find. There it is. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me from the crafty Advent Calendar. Oh, another die set. Love, 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 love. This one is a sentiment die set. Let's take a closer look. This is just fabulous. You get the fishtail banner. You can use this with all these sentiments. You can also use it outside of. If you have glimmer sentiments, you can cut that with this. You can also use this with some of your better press sentiments as well. So the sentiments here have that all occasion feel. Make a wish, a gift for you, just a note, and you did it. So it's birthday, congratulations, love, or just a note, and then you could do like a thank you card as well. Alrighty, let's take a look at my example. This is my December 11th card. I made another shaker card. So on the 9th, I made this shaker card, but I didn't use enough confetti. That confetti is this beautiful pink confetti. So I really use a lot of it in here, and it's so free-flowing. Love it. This dome, that is from Waffle Flower. It is a pack of shaker covers. I only received one sample, so I used it here. So I can't show you what it looks like, but I can give you the name here. I will link it below. It is a 2.5-inch circle dome, like it's raised. So it does have a little bit of height, so you can really stuff this. Look at that. Also in here, along with the day 9 confetti, I have this. Spellbinders carries the buttons galore and more. This is the Sonic Boom. Isn't that great for like a birthday? There are a lot of brands at Spellbinders outside of Spellbinders brands. There is Barely Art Glue. There is the Misty, Copic Paper, Olo Markers, Buttons and Galore, Waffle Flower, Vivant Ribbons, Trim, Cord. There is even Doodlebug at Spellbinders, okay? You can get some cute 6x6 paper pads. I have a few of them in my wish list. So there are a lot of brands there. And in this card, I am incorporating Waffle Flower and Buttons Galore and more. So there are a lot of shaky bits too. Some of them themed out for Christmas. This one is fabulous for birthday. And that's what I have mixed in here with day 9 confetti. And Spellbinders has a whole line of their own confetti like this, which doesn't have the hole in the middle. So I'll put a link for their confetti too, so you can check all the beautiful colors, okay? Day 11 is this awesome little banner, and you can use this with these drop-ins, and you can also use this with a whole bunch of other sentiments. You can also use it as an accent piece too, like this, like just a little banner too. That's also great. I used Make a Wish. So I had this little dome, filled it up with all my goodies, put the sentiment here, and it's like, make a wish underneath all of this fun confetti shaky goodness, and then happy birthday. The pattern paper is from Spellbinders, and it's called Life is a Party. This is an older paper pack from my stash, and I use this sheet. The blue design is also in here as well. Instead of going horizontal, I went vertical with the design. This is a 6x6 paper pad. To cut this window, to put in this pop-up dome, this is everlasting circles. I use one of the smaller circles in here to cut the pattern paper, pop the dome through. And then I used a little bit of wet glue and some double-sided tape, put this on, and then I sprinkled all the bits. The background, I just cut a sheet of that same pattern paper with the flowers. See, there's a yellow flower. There's a flower in here. And I just cut a little square here and stuck it on. This is an A2 top folding card. The sentiment Happy Birthday comes from Smooth Lines Mix and Match Sentiment die set. It has happy birthday, love, for, best wishes, congrats, thank you, just a note, and hello. I did the happy birthday. I'm using here Spellbinders white pop-up glitter foam, and it comes in sheets of 10. There are 2 sets of this white glitter foam. There is an individual pack of white only, which is fabulous and is great for all your winter crafting. This represents snow. I use it for snow, and it cuts out all these sentiments very easily, pops out. Plus, it takes the Barely Art glue very well, okay? So this comes in a pack of 10 of white only, or originally it was 5 white, 5 black, in a black and white pack. So you have two options. I will link both options of this. It's just really nice foam. Also, on the outside here, I have some of the same Day 9 confetti that's in here, the pink. Turned it upside down this time, so it's on its back, and I glued that down. And then in the centers, I use some of this Pink Fresh Studio clear drops. I've been having fun with these clear drops, so I put some green clear drops in here to go back with the green here in the florals. And here is my Make-A-Wish Happy Birthday Shaky Shake card. I think it's fun, and I like the blue here. This pattern paper is really nice. It's just all fun. And these waffle flower shaker covers. So you can get it with the dome like this, and you can also get it flat. There is a whole line of these waffle flower shaker covers. Another reason to get it at Spellbinders, it doesn't sell out as quickly as everywhere else. But this helps you to really make easy, fun shaker cards with much more movement than what I had here on Day 9. Here I'm more restricted. Here is like, you know, this is really, really fun. The recipient who gets this type of interaction, this is great. You just use your circle dies to make it happen. Everlasting Circles is a winner to get you there. So I'll just put a general link for the shaker cover page at Spellbinders. All right, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Don't forget getting all the crafty goodies you want in that sale. Also, the 12 days of giveaways. We are now at day 11. This is 1 day away from the grand prize, which is the platinum die cutting machine with the universal plate system. That's the original platinum wide format die cutting machine. And they're giving you the XL universal plate system. You can enter on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and below in my description box, I'm giving you a direct link to fill out a form on the Spellbinders website itself. Alrighty, crafters, having fun with all of this confetti goodness and these cute sentiments with that fabulous banner die. Until December 12th, and I hope you're entering daily for these 12 days of giveaways. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.